Hello, and welcome to Contractor Foreman. To ensure the most success with integrating your QuickBooks Online is to make sure that both QuickBooks and Contractor Foreman systems are set up properly. First, we will discuss how to use cost codes in Contractor Foreman to create accurate reports in QuickBooks. To best understand what a cost code is to first understand what it is not. Cost codes are not the same as the chart of accounts in QuickBooks because cost codes are stored as products and services which are then assigned to a chart of accounts, generally a cost of goods sold. After integration, each cost code needs to be assigned to an income and expense account from QuickBooks. Cost codes in Contractor Foreman are internal codes that your company uses to map all items types in your cost items database, located under Menu, to the proper chart of accounts in QuickBooks. Therefore, a cost code needs to reflect the division of service being performed and the item type it's assigned to. For example, if you have an item on your estimate that is the actual material of concrete with a total cost to be invoiced to your customer, then the cost code would not be just concrete but concrete material. That material cost code is mapped to your material cost of goods sold account from QuickBooks chart of accounts. This same structure would apply to all item types. Cost codes are assigned to all cost items and on an estimate and throughout the project process in Contractor Foreman. Being there are 5 most common cost item types on an estimate, such as material items, labor items, equipment items, subcontractor items, and other items. We recommend structuring your current cost codes to reflect all items types. If you already have current cost codes that you already plan to use, just make sure that they are mappable to your current COG structure in QuickBooks. This will make it easier to assign every cost item in Contractor Foreman to a relative cost code, reflecting the expense account it will be mapped to in your QuickBooks chart of accounts. Once you have decided on your cost codes for proper mapping to QuickBooks, then the second step is to make sure that all cost codes in Contractor Foreman or QuickBooks are structured correctly, either in a hierarchy of a parent and a child code in Contractor Foreman or category and product and services in QuickBooks. The child codes, which are divisions under the parent codes, are the main cost codes used and assigned within Contractor Foreman. The parent codes in Contractor Foreman act as categories in QuickBooks Online. The child codes in Contractor Foreman are equivalent to the products and services in QuickBooks Online. If a child code is not assigned to a category or parent code before integration, then that code will only sync as a parent code or category in the opposite system after integration. All relevant codes used for job costing must be a child code to be used in Contractor Foreman. Please note that if you currently have cost items such as actual materials and equipment currently located within QuickBooks Online, you will need to export them out of QuickBooks to a CSV file and import them into the cost items database in Contractor Foreman using the built-in templates under each item type list to copy your items to. Each list has a different import template. After integration, cost codes should be all that remain in the products and services. All unwanted codes should be made inactive in QuickBooks before integration to prevent items being synced together with cost codes in Contractor Foreman. Please reach out to our support team for further assistance.